Welcome back to Outback Polaks. Today we are at
Morton
Island, Tangalooma Resort. We came here on the Sea Morton boat over there. We've come to do some snorkeling, flying the brand new Mavic 2 Pro, and the snorkeling we're doing with the GoPro 360 and the GoPro 8. So it's going to be amazing footage. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Hope you're safe and well wherever you are enjoying your holidays. It is hot.
I'm fine.
You're fine because you've been in the water.
Well, you should too.
Oh yeah, I've had enough.
Yeah.
But it is hot. So enjoy. Let us know what you think of the footage as always. Oh, we've got the Melbourne people here as well. So they're all white and pasty like me. I'll take your photo. Smile. Lee, what did you think of Tangalooma Island Resort?
Oh my god, this is so cool. The best place. The beach is so pristine and the water is really cool.
Hold on. Okay, I'm on your level now. The air smells so much better here.
So anyway, this place is really, the water's clear and the water's warm and this sand's really clean and clear.
It's a bit different to Melbourne.
Very different from Melbourne.
Wineries.
The wineries are pretty cool too.
Nah, come on.